make a really fun and cute St. Patrick's Day card. I am Irish and I wanted to send some to my cousins because I did actually create Valentine's cards, but since I came down with COVID, I decided, oh, that's probably not a good idea to send those. So anyway, I'm going to start out fresh and we're going to do St. Patrick's Day. So the first thing I am starting off with is an A2 card. That is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. So we have 5 1/2 in length by 4 1/4. And this is really perfect for this little kissing booth, okay? So instead of just making a shaker, I'm going to make a shaker card. And so first of all, I just took my kissing booth and I used some foam paper from Michael's. I believe this is an 1/8 of an inch thick. And I went ahead and I wanted it kind of thicker so I could hold more shaker stuff in it. So I did 2 of those. And then of course I did my top color, which is going to be this really beautiful St. Patrick's Day green. For my little banner, I decided to use a striped pattern. And then for underneath, I have this little cute Kiss Me sentiment that will be perfect for this. I also cut out this cute little boy right here holding a bouquet of shamrock flowers or leaves. And then of course for my kisses right here, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and double layer this, and then I have it, my little kiss words right here. So I'm going to go ahead and use just the letters for that, as well as I have my banner toppers here as well. And then I have my little 25 cent, okay? And I did it in green and white so I could go ahead and have my background and my top in white. So I thought that'd be really fun. And then I cut out a little pair of lips. So that's super cute. So let's go ahead and get started. super excited how this turned out. So all I did was just do a bunch of layering again with the foam paper and also with some foam squares as you saw in the video, and I really love how it turned out. I think my cousins will really love it. And then I have right in here a St. Patrick's Day greeting. So anyway, I hope y'all have a wonderful and fabulous day, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.